Are you looking to stay away from the hustle and bustle of the city in a beautiful community with low HOA, beautiful amenities, and a community pool? If that sounds too good to be true, stay with me until the end to show you why this might be a good fit for you and your family. If this is your first time in this channel and you want to know everything that Florida has to offer and where to find all of the beautiful communities with the most amazing incentives, then go ahead and click on that notification button, subscribe so you can be the first one to know of all of the communities that we are going to showcase in this channel as we go throughout the whole state of Florida. My name is Lana Ribeiro. I'm a real estate advisor and my passion is to help you find your home to live your dreams. My team and I get calls from people just like you every single day. So whether you are looking, just browsing, or looking to make the move in the next 3, 6, 9 months, feel free to reach out so we can connect and talk about your real estate goals and aspirations. So today I'm so excited to show you this community because this is like a hidden gem. We are in Umatilla, Florida, and we are about 50 minutes from Orlando. We do have Disney and the airport about an hour and 50 minutes away from this specific community. But the reason why we're here today, because this is the zone of opportunity. You can find all of these beautiful homes at very affordable prices, and really the area here, it's beautiful. And we'll talk about that as we go throughout the whole house. We are going to be showing you one of the most popular models by one of the most popular builders, D.R. Horton, and the model is going to be Cali. So let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, so we are inside this beautiful house, and once again, this is the Cali model by D.R. Horton. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, and a total of 1828 square feet. And I think one of the reasons why this model is so popular, it is because of the functionality of the floor plan and also all of the storage space that we get with this beautiful house. So right as we enter, as you can see, we're going to find the first closet right to the side. And you know, it will depend on what you're using this for, but if it's something that you use on the daily basis, that's wonderful. But if not, then you can use this as additional storage space. I think that's one of the things that a lot of people are looking for, like, okay, the house is beautiful, but what about storage space, right? So this is why people love this model. So now we also have this beautiful entrance where you can have, just like this, a beautiful decoration to kind of like welcome you to your home. I feel like walking through something like this, I will feel so proud that this is my house. So you can do something just like this. Also, another reason why people love this floor plan is because it is a split floor plan type of home where you have the 3 bedrooms on this side and the master is kind of like tucked away all the way in the back for more of a privacy. So let's go. So let's go ahead and start with this first bedroom that we'll find right as we come through the house. To our right side, this is a beautiful bedroom. As you can see, we have a queen size bed, just to kind of like give you an idea of how big this space really is. I do love all of the decoration. Of course, we are in the model home, and also the space that we get with the closet. So if you will need to make this a bedroom, you do have your closet space that is very spacious, of course. But if you also need to make this an office room, I think you will also have enough space for that as well. So you let me know, what will you use this bedroom for? You do have 2 beautiful windows with the view of the community, so I love that. So beautiful decorations, just like I was saying, and I love this painting, which reminds me, one of the reasons why Umatilla is such a hidden gem is because we are around lots of beautiful parks, beautiful scenery, and the Ocala National Forest is just nearby, where you can go hiking, you can go kayaking, just like this, you can go boating, fishing, anything that you want. So if that is something of your interest, this area will definitely fit the lifestyle. So here we are. This is one of the 2 full baths that we'll get. Now here, I know you don't see the shower or the tub because it's a model home, but this will be the full bath that you get with this beautiful house. So now let's go and take a look at the second bedroom. Okay, so this is the second bedroom, and it's similar to the first one, right, in size more or less. We do have a smaller window, but we can still see that beautiful brightness, natural lighting that comes through the window. Now also please look that we do have carpet throughout all of the bedrooms, and that's how the house does come with beautiful carpet all throughout, except on the wet areas and the main entrance. So that's also something that I like to point out, because I know a lot of you have questions like, does a house come with carpet? Yes, this one does. I know some new construction that has tile all throughout, but if that is something that you're looking for, this is a good time to, you know, just leave us a comment and let us know that you're looking for something similar or maybe something else. Give us a text and we'll connect with you. So as we continue going through the store, I want to point out again that we have more storage space. Like I said, this is one of the reasons a lot of you do love this floor plan, because of all of the space that we have. We have this middle section that it's kind of open, right? It's not like so cluttered or anything like that. We have your laundry area, which it's right over here, big enough for your washer and dryer. If you wanted to put some shelves, you could, to kind of keep yourself organized. I love the fact that it's inside the house. I know some homes are still out in the garage, but those are older homes. This one, brand new construction, comes with your laundry inside your home. So now this is the third bedroom, and I love the decoration that they have, and I did bring a little someone special, and Camila is with me today, and she asked me to come because she knows that most of the model homes do have a beautiful playroom. So here she is, Camila.
Hi, my name is Camila. I've been drawing my mom's cooking videos for all of you. I hope you like it.
Thank you. So she's our little helper for today. So same thing, right? We do have this beautiful space with a beautiful closet, and it is almost like a walk-in, I would say, because you can kind of go in all the way in. Especially Camila, she'll definitely fit. So let's keep looking and see what else we find. Okay, so on this side we're going to find the heart of the home. I do consider this beautiful area the heart of the home because I do feel like we do spend a lot of time here. Me and my kids, I know most of our time is in the kitchen. So in this specific house, I love that we do have a beautiful island with so much space for like a bar stool, so people can sit and kind of like be with you as you make your meals and prepare your food for the day, right? If you're having a party, you do have a lot of space for all of your family and friends. So now that we are here in the kitchen, I do want to point out that another reason why we are here today is because of those incentives, right? Most of the time, builders don't give us a fridge. In this case, for all of those move-in ready homes that they have available, different floor plans by the way, they are offering the fridge, dishwasher, the microwave, and also the stove. So you have all of your kitchen appliances included. So definitely a good time and good package to take advantage of. And if you're looking for a pantry where you can walk in and have space for all of the things that you need on a weekly basis, this is it, because there is a space. You can have your own bodega and have all the things that you need. So the other thing I would love to point out, because one of my clients really loved the fact that we had this coffee area, coffee bar. It could be coffee or wine, anything you need, but I love that this is kind of like on the side just for this specific. So I love that we have this specific area for your coffee or your wine, depending on your needs. Okay, so right on this side, we're going to have our dining room area. As you can see, is big enough for a table this size where you can fit 6 chairs. Again, like I said, if you're having a big or like gathering with your family and friends, you do have more space out in your island for people to sit and hang out. So I really love this space. And the split floor plan that we have here at the Cali model. Now we do have a beautiful patio out here. We'll save that towards the end. We'll go ahead and show you now the living room size. which is on the side, not too far, right? I love this floor plan. You guys tell me, what do you think about it? Because we do have all of the space, but it's so functional. So we do have our living room right here with our beautiful furniture. You can do something like this. You know, one of the reasons why we love model homes is because it kind of brings us that creativity on what we can do with the space. Right here we do have our TV, so if you are a fan of watching YouTube channels, Netflix, you can have it just like this. You're sitting here on a Sunday afternoon just enjoying life, right? So if that is something you're looking for, don't forget to connect with us. Once again, I'm gonna leave you my phone number so we can help you find a home so you can live your dreams. Okay, so now we're going to be walking into the primary room, almost done with this tour, guys. So thank you so much if you're still watching. But as you can see, this is the beautiful, beautiful master primary room, and we have this amazing bed, a king size bed, just to show you how much space we have here. You can add your nightstand on each end. You can have also your drawer on the front. You can see all the space that we have. So by the way, now that I'm looking at those beautiful windows with the beautiful brightness coming through, another beautiful incentive that this builder is doing right now for all of the move-in ready homes, you will get all of your blinds all throughout your home. That is another way you're saving money, because to add those blinds, it will probably cost you between $1,000 to $1,000. In this case, they will add that for you before you move in. Okay, and we are almost done. Like I said, this is the bathroom area with the beautiful walk-in closet. Take a look at how big this is. If there's two people living in this side of the house, you have enough space, but if it's just one of you, I mean, come on, there's way too much. I love it. It's a whole like mini bedroom in here. We have our beautiful toilet with the private door, which is very important in my opinion. I know some homes kind of is just in the open, but you know, it's just a preference. And additional storage space. So that is a linen closet for all of the things that you need. You do have your beautiful shower and also your 2 sink vanity. So again, I think this is the reason why so many of you love this model, because you get everything for this beautiful house, everything you need. So we are done. Thank you so much for watching. Now, to learn more about the community and also know more about the numbers, I'll see you in just a few. Here's the patio. You will have this space for you to have something maybe just like this. 2 beautiful chairs, a little bit of decoration, so you can enjoy the beautiful weather in the Sunshine State. Today it was raining earlier. You can still see it being a little bit gloomy, but I know the sun will come out, because the sun always comes out here in the Sunshine State. Now you can also fence this in if that is something that you want to do, so you definitely have that possibility as well. So let's go. So thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. This is where we learn about the community a little bit more, and also all of those numbers that I know you're waiting for. But once again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that notification button, subscribe, and also do share so others can benefit from this content. So once again, we are in Umatilla, Florida, about 50 minutes away from Orlando. This is a beautiful area, the zone of opportunity, just because there is so much construction going on at very affordable prices. And I know that a lot of my clients are looking for those type of homes, just because we also know that the equity will continue to increase quickly, right? The more they build, the more the value of your property. So we are in this beautiful community that is brand new by D.R. Horton, one of the most known builders here in Florida, and we are touring one of their most known floor plans, the Cali model, a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1828 square feet. The reason why people love this floor plan is because of just everything that you get with such a beautiful home, right? The finishes, the layout, everything else. So let's go ahead and talk about the numbers, right? So this beautiful community does have an HOA, which includes your community pool, your dog park, a recreational playground for kids. So if you have little ones, it'll be so nice to have something walking distance from your home to where you can take them so they can play and enjoy a beautiful day here in the Sunshine Estate. We also have walking trails, so if you like working out, you will feel safe to go around and get your workout. So they do have different models. If you're looking for something bigger, they do have one of the models that is a 2-story with a 5-bedroom, 3-bath. That's still a very affordable price. So it just depends on what is it that you need and what you're looking for. And that is why I always like to tell my clients, it really depends on what you're looking for, but in order for us to kind of define that and know where we can find what you're looking for, we do kind of have to sit down and talk about your goals, see how we can develop this individualized real estate plan so we can go ahead and help you get the home that you're looking for. So we also have, you can qualify for something as low as 4.99 for your interest rate. So this will definitely help you save some money on your monthly payment. So a lot of builders are doing that right now, which means it's a good opportunity for any buyer that's looking to become a homeowner this year to take advantage of this. The other thing that they're doing is giving you $15,000 towards your closing cost. So you pretty much are walking in with what you need for your down payment depending on the purchase price. So again, this is going to be a very individualized plan and see what exactly you're looking for and how we can help you get into a home for the least amount of money possible out of your pocket. So I really hope that you guys love the tour. I appreciate the fact that you were with us until the very end. And don't forget to leave us your comments. Let us know what you think about it, and I will see you at the next one. Lana Ribeiro, find your home, live your dreams.